Viewers all over the world, welcome you once more to yet another beautiful program, the program Zvirimatiri, where we interview people with disability and trying to get deep down to what they have, what they are doing out there. With me, right, is a beautiful lady, I tell you. Can you introduce yourself to the world?
Hi viewers, my name is Melody Kwilitz.
Okay, what do you do?
I am a model.
Okay, so as a model, what beauty pageants have you participated in, and what was your position? And tell us what you.
We went to a show, and I came the first princess, and I was given many prizes.
Okay, you have had quite a lot of prizes. Okay, as the second, you mean you went for the Miss First Zimbabwe, and she's the second princess of Miss First Zimbabwe. Indeed, disability is not inability. Tell us, what are the challenges so far that you have faced in your model career?
Shortage of money to buy, clothes to wear, and food to eat, and some people are not even supporting us.
Okay, you are saying there's no enough support out there. Okay, actually, indeed, it is true, because I understand there are few beauty pageants that deals with people with disabilities, and offhand I only know of the Miss First and the Miss Paralympic, which happens in September every year here in Zimbabwe. So tell us, what can you tell Zimbabwe to all of the people who are watching all over about?
I'd like to tell them that don't look down upon yourself, and disability is not inability. You can do various kinds of work even if you're disabled.
Yes, disability indeed is not inability. So what is your disability yourself?
My disability is lower limb amputation.
Okay, lower limb amputation. But with lower limb amputation, Melody Mkwindidza has gone against all odds to become the second princess of Miss First Zimbabwe. And she has said, indeed, she has proven that disability is not inability. As you can see, she's a beautiful lady, the first princess, and she has said that people should not look down upon the disabled. Indeed, that is our message. You are joining us. You are watching Zvirimatiri, the program, and I thank you viewers for joining us. I also would love to take this moment to thank Melody Mkwindidza for coming to the program and show the people that indeed that disability is not inability.